you're watching Property It's Hot. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Housing for All mission and the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan has motivated India Inc. to do their bit. But from a business perspective, it has given the sanitary ware and the tiles industry enough reason to feel gung-ho about 2015. Nidhi Rai reports.
A near 2-year lull in the real estate sector also impacted the tiles and sanitary ware industry. But now, companies making sanitary ware and tiles are expecting a spike in demand on the back of the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Looking forward, going beyond, I think great days to come because a lot of investment has taken place and real estate has to go. So what we're pinning our hopes on is these 2020 they're talking, or rather 2022 they're talking of new cities, housing for all. These corridors which are coming up, the DMIC for example, the Delhi-Mumbai corridor.
India's sanitary ware and bathroom fittings industry together is estimated at 8,000 crore rupees and has grown into a thriving business for both international and homegrown brands.
What we are doing in Roca is we are producing more and more pieces in India because also we have custom duties, also we have a lot of difficulties, let's say, or cost in importing pieces. So it's very important to produce in India. And in India we produce pieces as per the requirements of the market.
Cera is a homegrown leading company and we have our strengths. It will be difficult for the international players to match up to our distribution network because we have about 15,000 retailers spread all over the country.
2014 has been the year of technology. Sanitary ware and bathroom fittings took design to an all-new level. European brand Grohe, the world's leading provider of sanitary fittings, believes that there is more to bathroom concepts today in terms of luxury than ever before. The brand has revolutionized sauna and spa experience with its fully customized F Digital Deluxe, a shower with music and steam bathing.
The product offerings that we've had last year have been, majorly digital. So we've had a lot of focus on digital bath products. We've also had a lot of focus on kitchen.
Other popular products of the year are Eurodisc Joystick, which is a wall-mounted wash basin, and Grandera, a new range of faucets and showers. The tiles market in India also evolved this year as consumer taste demanded more. Tiles have become slip-resistant and glossier with Slip Shield and Glosstra. The latest rage are for 3D tiles and digital tiles.
The investment level has gone up. They are looking at very modern, contemporary designs at one end. They're also looking at art and craft in the bathroom, which is something Kohler is very good at. So it's a mixed bag. At one level they like design, the other you have technology. All in all, I think they want a unique bathroom and they want great unique experiences inside bathrooms.
In the last 5-7 years, we've been able to deliver products which compete with marble, which compete with wood, which compete with granite. So I think the biggest change which has happened in the consumer's mind is there's a structural shift between using natural stone and ceramic tiles. So they do not look down upon ceramic tiles to be only a bathroom and a kitchen product. They're now looking at ceramic tiles from being a product of the outdoors, the drawing room, dining room, malls, offices, airports. Lastly, but not the least, the metro stations, the BRT corridors, etc.
2014 has been a dull year for real estate and a bright one for sanitary ware and tiles industry because the industry saw a 12% annual growth. And now the industry is gearing up to meet the growing demand of sanitation and housing following Prime Minister Narendra Modi Swachh Bharat Abhiyan and is expecting 15% annual growth in the coming year. With camera person Arun Negi, Nidhi Rai for NDTV.
If there is one thing that keeps the best homes together, it is the kitchen. And in 2014, modular kitchens were the flavor of the season. So what was trending and what were the hottest kitchen styles of 2014? Lakshmi Sivadas finds out.
Not too long ago, creating your dream modular kitchen was not just an expensive affair, but also difficult from start to finish.
There were time delays, there were quality was not matching to expectations. Most importantly, they promised delivery in 4 weeks, and then it took almost 12 weeks for it to get completed. It became so bad that we literally had to plead with them to vacate the house, etc.
But in 2014, the modular kitchen industry has grown and evolved a great deal. Take kitchen specialist and interior firm HomeLane for instance. They've scrapped old school drawings and instead offer a 3D visualization of the modular kitchen that customers can play around with.
3D visuals which they will be actually able to see sitting in their homes and sitting in their offices, to sharing these models with their friends and family, both on social networks or across email. We allow them to do that. We allow them to modify their interior design and try and change the look on their own. They can actually see that and then take a decision.
Technology-enabled modular kitchens was the buzzword of 2014. From refrigerators fitted with televisions, motorized lids, to drawers with soft sliding technology and appliances that discreetly conceal within the modular kitchen. Automation is the hottest new trend in the Indian kitchen space.
You can very well visualize the kitchen of 20 years ago and today. You will find a sea difference. And that has been possible because of technology.
Automation is taken over at least 50% of the industry, right? In terms of machinery, in terms of technology, in terms of front-end visualization for customers, which makes decision-making much more easier. But we are not fully automated, unlike the European and the American companies, because our volumes are not there yet. But I see the trend changing.
Apart from technology, the form and design of modular kitchens also reinvented in 2014. Experts say that this year, contemporary designs took center stage.
Spaces are flowing into each other today, and that lends to the trend of open kitchens. People are generally expecting a lot more utility from smaller spaces. So keeping that in mind, the accessories, the hardware, the colors, and everything is changing. So today's trend is for solid colors. Previously it used to be with wood grain designs, and high gloss seems to be the fashion, and of course handle-less options.
Experts are indicating that water-resistant materials are the choice today, and all of this for a budget of 30,000 rupees to 5 lakhs, depending on the frills you add to your modular kitchen. From Bengaluru, Lakshmi Shivdas for NDTV.
So those were the hottest trends of 2014 in the Indian real estate and the home decor industry. Property It's Hot will come to you every weekend on NDTV Prime with the smartest ideas to help you find and design your dream home. Send us your feedback and questions to hotproperty@ndtv.com. From the entire team, here's wishing you a Happy New Year. Goodbye.